Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be going through some exam style logarithmic type questions, okay? So, yeah, just one or two questions where you might see this in an exam somewhere. Not the most difficult in the world, but I think it's worth going through just to show you that you shouldn't be intimidated by these, and they're actually pretty simple to solve. Before I get started guys, we've only got 3 spaces left on the Quick Maths platform. Whereby we're basically giving out free tuition for an entire month. And not only that, we've got videos dedicated to getting you from an A to an A star that focus on the difficult type questions. That's what it's about. So not the easy questions, the difficult type questions, the type you find at the end of the paper that students tend to struggle with. That is the difference between getting an A and an A star. Additionally, we've also got some more benefits coming out soon, particularly with university application support. So make sure to click the link below, check it out, and if you're interested, sign up ASAP. But without further ado guys, let's get into this. So question 1, solve the equation 3 2x minus 1 is equal to 2x. All right, so what I'm going to do here guys, so what I'm going to do here guys is I'm going to say let y equal 2 to the power of x. In fact, it's probably more correct to say let 2x to the power of x equal y. Alright, so from here, I can then say, alright, therefore 3y minus 1 is equal to y. So therefore 3 minus 1 squared is equal to y squared. Now why are we squaring both sides? Because that's what you need to do to solve absolute value equations. Okay, so got 9 y minus 1 is equal, sorry, y minus 1 squared is equal to y squared. All right, so 9 y squared minus 2y plus 1 is equal to y squared. Okay, 9y squared minus 18 plus 9 is equal to y squared. So 8y squared minus 18y plus 9 is equal to 0. Okay, now what that means then, pretty much 8 times 9 also give me 72. Okay, factors of 72 that add up to negative 18. Well, we know for a fact, guys, that 12 and 6 add up to 72, and they also add up to 18. Minus 12, that times minus 6 is equal to 72 as well, and they also add up to negative 18. So what we got is y squared plus 12y 6y plus 9 is equal to 0. Right, so what can I do here? I can take out, let's see, I can take out 4y here, so what we get then is 2y minus 3, okay, minus 3, that'll be 2y minus 3 there as well. Okay, minus 6 y plus 9. Okay, cool. Alright, perfect. So from here guys, we can group this. So we get the following. We get 4y minus 3, 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, so then what we get is the following. We get okay, 4y minus 3 is equal to 0. 4y is equal to 3. And y then is equal to 3 over 4. Okay, so therefore I can say 2 to the x is equal to 3 over 4. Okay, so therefore I can say the following, that take the ln of both sides. Okay, x ln 2 is equal to ln 3 over 4. Okay, so x then is going to equal, what are we going to get from this? Plug into my calculator. Okay, we're going to get a value of negative 0.415. Okay, meanwhile, 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. 2y is 3, y is equal to 3 over 2 equals 1.5. Okay, so 2 to the x is equal to 1.5. Take the ln of both sides. Over ln 2, so x equals what? 0.585. Perfect. And these will be your final answers. Alright guys, now for the next one, it wants us to solve this fraction, okay, which is equal to 4. How do we do this? When we get e to the x plus e to the minus x firstly is equal to 4 e to the x plus 1, okay, which then means that e to the x plus e to the minus x is equal to 4ex plus 4. Again, you'll see these questions are quite simple and intuitive. It's really just a case of being able to see what exactly you're supposed to do. Once you get that bit, it's quite easy. Okay, so what do we get now? Well, we've got a situation where we've got e to the x plus 1 over e to the x is equal to 4ex plus 4. So what I'm going to say is let y equal e to the x. Therefore y plus 1 over y is equal to 4y plus 4. Okay, and we then get y squared plus 1 is equal to 4y squared plus 4y. Alright, if we move this around, what we're going to get is 3y squared plus 4y minus 1. Okay, which is equal to 0. From here, guys, we're going to solve solve this into the quadratic formula. So what I can say is y is going to equal negative 4, okay, plus minus 4 squared, that's 4, 3, minus 1. Okay, put that over 2 times 3. Okay, so what's y going to give me? Y minus 4 plus minus square root 28 over 6. Right. So what? So y then equals minus 4 plus 28 over 6. Or y is equal to minus 4 minus root 28 over 6, which therefore means that y is going to equal 0.2153, or y is equal to negative 1.549. Okay, I'm going to plug that into our calculators. So therefore, e of x is equal to 0.2153, or e of x is negative 1.549. Okay, therefore x is going to equal what? Well, we just say x is going to equal ln of this, right? So it's going to equal, put that into my calculator now. Okay, so what I can say, guys, is here. I'm going to say that x, okay, is going to equal to ln 0.2153 okay, which gives me negative 1.536, or x is going to equal ln of negative 1.519. Okay, but we can't have that, okay, because it's, I mean, we can't have a negative value for e, okay, so therefore this is going to be the only answer, negative 1.536. Alright guys, last question here, pretty easy to be fair. Okay, so we got 9x equals to 3x plus 12. Answer to correct to 2 decimal places. So, the way we're going to do this is the following. What I'm going to say is 9 is equal to 3 squared, right? So therefore I can say, this is the same thing as saying 3 to 2x equals to 3 to the x plus 12. Okay, so I'm going to say, fine, let y, actually even better, I'm going to say let 3 to the x equal y. Okay, so therefore what I can say is y squared is equal to y plus 12. So y squared is equal to y squared minus y minus 12 is equal to 0. Okay, factor 12 that up to negative y. We got 4 and 3. Okay. Right, so negative 4 plus 3, negative 1, times together to get negative 12, okay. So y minus 4, y plus 3 equals 0. Therefore y is equal to 4, or y is equal to negative 3. Okay, therefore what I can say is 3x is equal to 4, 3x is equal to minus 3. Now, of course, there cannot be a solution here, okay, because that's simply not possible. However, over here, for 3x, t to the power of x equals 4, there might be a solution. So that x ln 3 is equal to ln 4. X is therefore equal to ln 4 over ln 3, which gives me an answer of 1.26. And that's going to be the final answer, guys.